Hello friends, in the previous lecture we solved the question answers of the poem Someone, and in this lecture we are going to solve question B. Choose the correct word from the brackets to complete the story of the poem. Choose the correct word from the brackets to complete the story of the poem. आपको रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति करनी है। ब्रैकेट में 2 ऑप्शन दिए हैं, उसमें से सही ऑप्शन जो है वो डैश डैश के जगह पे लिखना है, ब्लैंक जगह पे लिखना है। लेट्स स्टार्ट। I read the question. There was a dash dash on the door. There was a dash dash on the door. The answer is knock. K-N-O-C-K. Knock. K-N-O-C-K. Knock. There was a knock on the door. Okay. Second, the door was big or small? Small. The door was small. S-M-A-L-L. The door was small. Third, the poet was dash dash that someone had knocked on his door. The poet was dash dash that someone had knocked on his door, and the answer is sure. S-U-R-E. Sure. Okay, so I repeat the line. The poet was sure that someone had knocked on his door. Fourth one, he dash dash then he dash dash the door. आपको मालूम है, पहले उसने सुना और फिर ओपन किया, मतलब he first listened then he opened the door. He first listened. L-I-S-T-E-N-E-D. Listened. He first listened then he opened. O-P-E-N-E-D. O-P-E-N-E-D. Open the door. Okay, ये 4 कंप्लीट हो गए। फिफ्थ, देयर वॉज डैश डैश आउटसाइड। कोई नहीं था ना, नो वन। देयर वॉज नो वन आउटसाइड। इट वॉज अ डैश डैश नाइट। कैसी नाइट थी रे वो? डार्क नाइट थी। डार्क है ना, डार्क नाइट थी। ही हर्ड द डैश डैश टैपिंग डैश डैश। He heard the beetle. पहली जो fill in the blanks है, beetle tapping busily. B-E-E-T-L-E. beetle, ये देखो इधर स्पेलिंग है, beetle ऊपर है, beetle beetle busily. Okay, he heard the beetle tapping busily. B-U-S-I-L-Y. busily. Eighth, the dash dash called the cricket, the dash dash called and the cricket dash dash. देखो इसका आंसर है owl. The owl called, the owl, OWL, the owl called and the cricket whistled, 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 whistled. Okay. Whistled. The owl called and the cricket whistled. 9th, the poet dash dash who came to his door did not know. Answer is did not know. The poet did not know who came to his door. Okay. Now the question C. Tap tap is a sound word. Fill in the blanks with the sound words from the box. ये जो साउंड वर्ड दिए है आपको, विसल, हुट. विसल मतलब सीटी जैसी आवाज़. हुट मतलब आउल की आवाज़ है वो, हुट. स्विश ब्रूम की आवाज़ है. ड्रिप, ड्रिप किसकी है रे? टैप की. और स्क्रिच टायर्स की. पिटर पैटर रेन ड्रॉप्स की. तो ये साउंड वर्ड दिए हैं. ये आपको क्या करना है, ये जो 6 फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स दिए हैं उस बॉक्स में से जो साउंड वर्ड उधर ठीक बैठता है, सटीक बैठता है, वो लिखना है. उन्होंने एक लिख के दिया है हमको. द ड्रिप ऑफ अ टैप, ड्रिप ऑफ अ टैप, DRIP, ड्रिप ऑफ अ टैप. द डैश डैश ऑफ अ प्रेशर कुकर, द व्हिसल ऑफ अ प्रेशर कुकर. Now second, the dash dash of an owl, hoot, HOOT, hoot of an owl. Third one, the hoot of an owl. Fourth, the swish of a broom, the swish of a broom. ये देखो swish इधर है, swish of a broom. The pitter patter of raindrop, pitter patter, PITTER, PATTER, pitter patter of raindrops. And last one, the dash dash of tires. इसका आंसर है screech, the screech of tires, SCREECH, the screech of tires. ओके. तो ये सी क्वेश्चन we finished. C question. In the next lecture we are going to solve D question. Thank you.